finishing draw a kid.
Yeah, we're going to draw a kid planting a flower. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You ready to start?
Yeah.
First, we're going to draw our kid's smile, and we're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw our kid really happy. Yeah, oh, you draw me. You draw me. That's okay. You can draw the letter U. Nice. And then we're going to draw a circle for the left eye and a circle for the right eye. You could also change your eyes if you want. You don't have to draw it exactly like us. And we're going to draw a smaller circle for the highlight. I love doing this to our eyes to make the eyes look shiny. We're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And if we ever go too fast and our art friends need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. Next, we're going to draw the shape of our kid's head. We're going to draw a circle. I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to draw a circle. It comes around. We're drawing a big kid head. And then it's kind of a squish circle. Oh. Yours is my favorite. Okay, I'm going to draw straight hair for mine, but you could draw curly hair if you want to draw U's that are connected together for the curly hair. And our friends at home, they could draw their kid to look like them if they want. You could change the details of your kid and make it look more like you, or you can make it look like your friend or anyone you want. Yes. Oh, I like that curly hair. Now let's draw ears. Oh, you could also draw eyelashes. And you could also draw cute little, oh, is that a ponytail or piggy tail?
Yes.
That's awesome. You could also draw a letter C for the ear and a backwards C for the other ear. I'm going to have to frame this one. Okay, now we're going to draw our kid's body, and we're going to draw 2 lines down from the chin. And then we're going to draw the bottom of our kid's t-shirt. We're going to draw, oh, there's the other eyelashes. I almost forgot. And then we're going to turn these little lines into the legs on each side. Now we're going to add the arms after we draw the flower that our kid is planting. Let's first draw the dirt. We're going to draw an upside down U. Oh, you can make it bumpy too if you want. Yes, that looks like dirt. And then we're going to draw our flower. I'm going to draw a circle for the inside of the flower. And then, oh, let's draw the mouth. We're going to draw a funny face on our flower. And the eyes. There you go. I'm going to color it in. Oh, and eyelashes. And then let's draw the petals. I'm going to draw small petals around. A bunch of U's connected together. And then let's draw the stem going into the dirt. Nice. Okay, now our kid needs to be holding the flower. So let's draw the arm. We're going to connect it to the flower. And then we're going to draw the other side of the arm, and I'm going to draw it like this. And we can also draw a little line going the other way for the t-shirt, the sleeve on the t-shirt. Now let's draw the other arm over here. I'm going to draw the letter U, comes out like this, and I'm trying to make it look like it matches the other arm. Yeah, and then let's also draw a t-shirt line. Oh, and we need to give our kid a shovel. So let's draw a line right here underneath the hand. Now let's draw the bottom of the shovel. We're going to draw the letter U right here. Yes, and then we're going to draw a line coming straight up through the hand. Yes, there's our shovel. A simple way to draw a little shovel. Then we could also add shoes on our kid.
Oh, shoesies.
Shoes, yeah, shoesies. And then we could also draw a little U shape for the t-shirt. And we did it. We finished drawing our kid planting a flower, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, my favorite part. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our kids planting a flower, and yours is always my favorite. I say that in every lesson, but it's true. That's my favorite. Look at that face. How could that not be your favorite?
I love your face.
Oh, thank you. You guys can pause the video right now to match your same coloring, or
You can color any way you want.
yeah, you could even change the colors so that it matches you, so that it looks like you planted a flower.
You could also add a background.
Oh, a background would make your drawing complete.
Yeah. We hope you have fun drawing a kid planting a flower.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.